Hello, I'm back today with my large shuttle and satin cord to make a demonstration about picots because I had a request for that. Picots are used in tatting as a decorative element. As you can see in here, there's lots of decorative picots, some that are same size here and some graduated ones here where you have a short one, long one, short one. I have here in the center some long picots that I've used to join between the rings to make a sort of bezel for my cabochon in the middle. And on the back here you can see, or rather you can practically not see, some very, very short picots that I've used to join between those rings so that they're very, very close together. So let's make some picots. So I'm going to start for a ring, and picots are just a space left between full stitches. So this is my first half and my second half, so I have one first full stitch. And so we're going to leave now a space between this full stitch and the next full stitch. So I'm going to make the first half. And instead of pulling tight against the other one, I'm leaving a gap. And this is what is going to form the picot. When I make the second half of the stitch and complete the full stitch, and when I slide them together, this makes a picot. And you can adjust the length of your picots simply by leaving a bigger gap. So we're going to make a bigger picot this time. Complete the second half. So there's my other full stitch, and when I slide them together, you can see I've made a long picot here. I'm going to make one more short picot. First half, slide but leave a gap, and then make the second half to complete the stitch, and slide them together. And I'm going to make just one more full stitch. This time I'm going to slide it right against the other one. As 4 normal stitches. So you can just eyeball your picots like this, choosing as you look, against your finger the length you want for the size that you want. But if you have a pattern where you want a really specific size of picot, you can also use a picot gauge. You can purchase tatting picot gauges if you like, but it can also be nothing more complicated than a piece of card, the width that you need for the space that you want, and you can use that. I'm going to put a link to a video that demonstrates how to use a picot gauge. So that's it for picots. I hope this is helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.